It's not too late. Let me in. Leave him now. He doesn't deserve your love. Don't calculate. He betrayed you once. Now it's twice. It will be foolishness if you would wait for the third time. Oh, Bella, it's me from afar. I have a crush on you. I lack the words. I only have pretty. Would you even consider talking to me? Well, I guess not. Who am I? Just this guy who doesn't deserve your smile. But what I heard, your prince broke your heart. He wanted more than perfection. Oh, how foolish he was. Oh, I guess a six-pack is not a measure of intelligence. Next time, choose someone smart. Your beautiful eyes matches the blue sky. A weak figure of speech, but something that is honest. Would you even consider someone typically different? May not be as handsome as the previous, but with certainty. Someone who will not leave you. Offering beautiful roses but leading broken promises. I hope you'll read this poem. I don't ask for perfection, because the way you are is the reason why the heavens needed stars. You are my light, an inspiration, another good word, a beacon, my perfect reason to love and exist on this earth. And know this, I love you if you let me. And like from the words of a song, I'm only 2 steps behind if you need me.